Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set up this watch Casio A159, and actually the same thing for A158, and actually also the same for F91W. So all those three watches are using module 593. Okay, the first one is how to change from this 24-hour format to 12 hours format. And to do that, you can press this button on the right side. So this is 2 p.m. or also meaning 14 at the 24-hour format. Okay, next for the light, you can press the light button on the top left. So it's very weak like this. Okay, and then the next one is to change the mode. You can press the mode button on the bottom left, this one. So now this is the alarm mode, and then this is the stopwatch mode, and this is the adjust mode. We will use later on to set up the time and calendar on this watch. Okay, press again the mode button. Now return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next is for the LCD check. To do that, press all these three buttons at the same time. So you might want to hold the watch in this position and use your index and thumbs. So now we have this LCD check screen. All the segment on the display is showing. Okay, and then you can press any button to exit from this LCD check. And then the next one is the Casio Check. And to do that, press and hold this button on the right side, and it will show the word Casio on the display. Okay, now we are moving on to the setting of the time and calendar. And to do that, from this mode, press the mode button 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can see here the second is blinking. So if it is 30 or more, if you press this button, it will become 0 with additional minute. So like this, for example. So it's 0 with additional minute. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So this is for example. Yes, so 0 without additional minute. Okay, next, to move to the next item to set up, you can press this one, the light button. So now the hour, you can increase by pressing this button. So for example, if I want to change to become 3, then I can press this right button and it will become 3. Or if you want more, then you can press again until you found the time that you want. Okay, next, press again the light button to move to the next item, and that is the minute. And again, this button will increase the number, okay, like this. And then again, the light button to move to the next item, and that is the month. This is August. You can press this button on the right side to increase the number, so October, November, and so on. Okay, and then press again the light button on the top left, and now is the date. Press again to increase the number. Okay, and once more, now is the day of the week. So this is Friday. You can press this button to change to become Saturday and so on. Okay, press again this one, the light button, and now return again to the second. And if you already done with the setting, you can press the mode button to exit from the time or the time and calendar adjust mode. And that's it, you are returning to the timekeeping mode. The next thing I want to show you is how to set the alarm. So from this timekeeping mode, press the mode button once. And now we are here, AL, alarm. So you might want to set the alarm as silent. Maybe you accidentally set up. So to do that, press this button on the right side. It will cycle through these options. So this one means the alarm is active. This means the hourly chime or hourly signal is active. This means both the alarm and hourly signal are active. And this means both are not active. So if you want to mute your watch from the alarms and signal, then you can press this button several times until you can see here there are no icons or a symbol that is active. And then next, if you want to set the alarm time, you can press the light button on the top left, and now you can see here that the hour is blinking. You can change the number by pressing the right button. So in this case, I'm going to set as 5:30. So let's start by setting the time for the hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then again, press the light button on the top left to move to the next item, and that is the minute, 1, 2, 3. So I will push and hold and then set as 30. Okay, so now we have the alarm at 5:30, and then press again the light button to exit from the setting for the alarm time. And here we can see that the alarm logo or alarm icon is active, so meaning that this alarm is active. But again, if you want to change the setting for which feature is active, alarm and signal, you can press this right button at this position. So is it going to be alarm only, hourly signal or chime only, both active or both not active. So in this case, I'm going to activate both. Okay, so the alarm at 5:30 is active, and then also the hourly signal is also active. This one, the bell logo. Okay, next, to exit from this alarm mode, you can press the mode button, and now we are back to the timekeeping mode. The next one is how to operate the stopwatch. So to do that, press the mode button twice. 1, 2, now we are in the stopwatch mode. So with this mode, you can press the start button on the right side. Now it starts like this. And then you can press again the start button to pause stopwatch, okay? And then you can press again to continue, like this, okay? And then press again to pause or to stop, and then reset using this light button, okay? And then you can also use this button on the top left for split or lap time. So to do that, press this one, the start button for the stopwatch, okay? Now if I press the top left button like this, it shows the time that when it is pressed, okay? But on the background, the time is still running. So if I press again the top left button, it will jump to the latest time. So this one, 15, 16, and so on. If I press again, it shows the time when it is pressed. And if I press again, it continues from the time that is running in the background. Okay, if I want to stop, press again this one, the start stop button at the right side. And then to reset, this one, the top left button. Okay. And yes, that's it. To exit from the stopwatch mode, just press the mode button. And now we are back to the timekeeping mode. And yes, that's all the operation for this watch, A159. That is also the same with A158 and also F91W. I hope this tutorial is useful, and if you have any question about this watch, please don't hesitate to put in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye!